Hi, welcome back, and this video is going to be on displaying records in some order, I mean in some sorted order with respect to any specific column that is mentioned. So let us take, I need these values to be displayed, these rows to be displayed in the order of ascending order in the mobile number. So we can use order by mobile. So which means get the values from the table contacts and display it in ascending order of mobile number column. So it is sorted and displayed. So let us take in reverse order. I need to be displayed in descending order, which means this row must come first and this is second, third, fourth and fifth. DESC, descending order. So we can see 9, 5. Since by default it is displaying in ascending order, so that is why we are not giving ASC, but actually ASC has to be given to display it in ascending order. So since by default it is taking ascending order, so this is not necessary. So not only mobile number, I mean not only the column that has integer value, we can sort the table, I mean the column with that has varchar also. First name. So it will display in alphabetical order. So AB is the first one, ABCD is second one. Let us check with descending order. So you can see this one comes last. So hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching.